How to find Discord ID. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find Discord ID. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Discord app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll see the interface like this. Now here in this section, you can just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. Now here, once you're inside the settings section, simply scroll down and select advanced. And now here in this section, make sure that you toggled on the developer mode option. And now here with that, now you can just go back to the Discord home screen and open any server where your profile is visible. And now here, once you have found your username on any channel or any group on Discord, then you can just tap on your profile icon. And now here, once you tap on that, your profile box will open up. Now here in this box, you can just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you can just tap on copy user ID option. And now here, once you have copied your user ID, you can just go back, and here after that you can just paste the copy user ID on any text box to see your copy user ID as well. And that's it. That's how you can find Discord ID. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.